Hey guys, what it do? What it do?
What it do though? Put the phone down.
Put the phone down. Emmers and Jellers.
Jellers. Should I put it 0.5?
Yeah.
Bruh. Can't do it properly.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. It's fine. It's fine.
Show what we have. The marshmallows and the chocolate elefante.
Chocolate elefante.
Chocolate elefante.
I don't even know if that's elefante.
Okay.
Oh shoot!
So we got a marshmallow and a cookie.
What do you eat when you don't want to eat that much?
A cookie. What do you eat, guys? When you guys want no. when you guys don't want to eat that much, what do you guys eat?
A cookie.
A cookie. So.
What are you saying?
Okay. Look. So we got this, and pour it. That amount. So you gotta make it look like a dessert, right?
But you have to put the crackers
On top of it. You're smart about
Only
that.
thing, the marshmallow's not melted, so we kind of have to squish it.
Yeah.
So you guys squish it.
Yeah.
Grab it from the bottom, and voila.
Take a bite. Rate it out of 10.
And then
Review.
like the cringe people that go like, and they do this.
Oh
Read it.
Rate it. Looks like caca.
This to me, extraordinary good.
Bro, look at the vaca, whatever that thing is. It's like leaky.
Extraordinary good.
Extraordinary good.
Extraordinary.
Ready? So the people can see the cameraman too.
This is the cameraman, Issac, who just became a newborn to Christ. And yeah, I'm here. I'm also a part. And always remember, put the phone down.
What do you eat when you don't want to eat?
I just need a cookie.
And do you watch? What do you do for like on your free time?
On my free time, sometimes I go out with the holiness, read the Bible,
You the Bible.
and
You play any sports?
yeah, soccer.
Oh.
And I also put the phone down.
So he said, put the phone down. The outro. Do it.